Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to send money from Wise to Alipay. This is really easy. The first step we need to do is click this option called send. Okay, we're going to click right here, and then once we click send, in this case we're going to select our currency. In this case, you can see euro, and these options. In this option, you can select the currency of the person that you're going to send the money. Okay, in this case you're going to select yuan. Okay, yuan is the currency of China. um and you can see, well, this in this case I put right here. Okay, and then once we select our currency, uh, you can change your payment method. In this case, clicking this button right here, and in the pay method you can select Alipay to send money. It's really easy. Okay, as you can see, uh, you if you send uh, this amount right here, the other person in Europe will receive this amount right here. Okay, then we're gonna click this option, this button right here at the recipe, and there you go. You're going to see to a person. um, Really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.